Number 5. Heavy Duty Pre-Season 2-in-1. 2-in-1 Cast Iron Camping Dutch Oven and Casserole. Perfect for both indoor and outdoor cooking at home. Lid increases cooking efficiency. Designed for quick and easy cleanups. This strong 5-quart cast iron round Dutch oven. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 4. Cuisinart 7 quarts round Dutch oven. Provides heat retention and even heat distribution. Durable finish and rich colors complement any kitchen decor. Extreme versatility. Induction stovetop compatible. Induction stovetop compatible, stovetop, oven, and broiler safe. Convenient maintenance and easy cleanup. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 3. Amazon Basics Enameled Cast Iron. Cast iron covered Dutch oven in blue with side handles. Cast iron for even heat distribution and retention. This medium Dutch oven serves 4 to 6 people. Features looped handles and a matching lid. Oven safe to 400° Fahrenheit. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 2. Le Creuset of America. Long-lasting exterior enamel resists chipping and cracking. Interior enamel is engineered to resist staining and dulling. Sand-colored interior enamel makes it easy to monitor food. The lightest weight per quart of any premium cast iron cookware available. Stainless steel knob is safe at any temperature. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 1. Lodge 6-quart enameled cast iron. 1 Lodge 6-quart red enameled cast iron Dutch oven. Stainless steel knob and loop handles for great control. Unparalleled heat retention and even heating. Smooth glass surface won't react to ingredients. Great for induction cooktops. Please check the description for details and best price.